Hi dear champs, so welcome back again to all of you in the second day of the week of code. And yesterday we had seen what is coding, why we do the coding, and also we had set up the Scratch in our browser and also see the different sections or the tabs which are available in the Scratch editor. So today, first we will start with the basic project, a getting started project in the Scratch editor, which is the birthday card for wishing someone. So first we will create an animation for wishing someone similar to the birthday card. And then we will come on the first project of the week of code, which is Talk Band. So in this project, we will create an animation. So when we trigger an event, when we click on an event, then the animation will start to play birthday tone with the lighted candle. And when the tone will finish, the candle will automatically turned off or the lighted off. So if you are making any project, if you are solving any problem or performing any task or creating any project in the Scratch editor, then first of all divide that project or task or problem into two sections. The first one is state decoration, and under the state decoration two things come. The first one is background and the another one is sprite, and the second thing is coding. So after decorate your stage with the background or sprite, come on the coding part. And in the coding, first write the step-by-step instruction for solving the problem which you have received. And after this, just write the code or connect the blocks together for solving that problem. So first, under the coding section, write the steps for solving the problem and then write the code or connect the blocks together for the same step. So convert these steps by writing the code, by connecting the blocks together. So again, divide your problem into the two things in the Scratch editor. The first one is state decoration and the another one is coding. Under the state decoration, decorate your stage with the sprite and background. And under the coding, first write the step-by-step instruction for solving the problem and then convert those steps by writing the codes or connecting the blocks together. So let's come on the birthday card animation. So again, divide this project into the two parts. The first one is state decoration, and under the state decoration, two things come, the background and the sprite. So for this project, choose the party theme background, and for the sprite, just choose the cake sprite. So go to the scratch.mit.edu, create a new project and decorate your stage with the party theme background and the cake sprite. So go to the scratch.mit.edu, click on create button. So the project is loaded in the Scratch editor, and before starting project, first of all rename your project into meaningful name. So this one is the birthday card. So I'm renaming it to the birthday underscore card. So just set the name or rename it to the meaningful one. So in the future, when you see the same project, when you see the list of your project in the Scratch editor, you will be able to know that which project for which thing. Okay, so first decorate your stage with the party theme background and the cake sprite. And in this project, there is no need of this cat sprite. So first of all, delete it by click on this delete icon. And now, first of all, choose your background. So click on this icon and then click on search bar. Just write the party under the search bar and click on this background for adding on the stage. And now come on the sprite section. So for adding the sprite, click on this icon. Again go to the search bar and just under the search bar, type cake. Again, click on the same for adding it on the stage. That's it. And if you want to move it, then you can drag it anywhere you want. Again, come on the slides. And now let's see. So we have decorated the stage with the party theme background and the cake sprite. And now we will write the code for performing the action, for creating the animation. So before writing the code, first write the step-by-step instruction for writing the code for solving the problem. So the step 1 is, when we perform the event, you can choose any event under the Scratch editor. So when we perform the event, the birthday song will start with the lighted candle. So the step first stage, when we perform any event under the Scratch editor, then the birthday song should be start with the lighted candle. So come on the Scratch editor and convert this step by writing the code, by connecting the blocks together. So let's see on the Scratch. So the step first is, when we perform any event, so first we have to perform an event. So go to the event section under the code tab, and here I'm choosing when flag clicked event, and you can choose any one of them for pressing the key, for clicking on the sprite, or any other one. So the step first is, when we perform any event, again see, then the birthday song will start with the lighted candle. So now we have to start the birthday song with the lighted candle. So when flag click, just start the birthday song. And for adding the song, go to the sound section under the code tab and just drag the first block, which is play sound birthday, until done. And now click on the flag icon and see the changes. So when I've clicked on the flag icon, the birthday song has started. So give me a minute. Okay, so when I clicked on the flag icon, the birthday song has started until it's done. Because we have write the code, when flag click, play sound birthday until it's done. It's performing the same. When I've clicked on the flag icon, the birthday tone is starting until it's done. And see the first step. So the first step is, when we perform any event, the birthday song should be started with the lighted candle, and we are performing the same. So after the first step, come on the second step. And the second step is, when the song will finish, the candle will light it off. Okay. So when the song will finish, the candle should be lighted off. Okay. So come on the Scratch editor and now convert this step by writing the code, by connecting the blocks together. Again, come on the Scratch editor. So first, earlier, we are playing the birthday song until it's done when we are performing any event. And when the birthday song will finish, the candle should be lighted off. So for this, we have to change the costume from the lighted candle to the lighted off. So click on the costume section, and when you click on the costume section, you will be able to two costumes of the same sprite, Cake A and Cake B. Cake A with the lighted candle and the Cake B with the lighted off. So when the song will finish, we have to change the costume from the Cake A to Cake B. So now we have to write the code for changing the costume from the cake A to cake B. And why we are doing this? Because in the step 2, as we are able to see on the screen, we have to perform or we have to write the code when the song will finish, the candle will light it off. So for performing the same action, we are changing the costume from the lighted candle to the lighted off candle. So come on the code section and now just change the costume. So go to the look section under the code tab and switch costume to cake B. So drag this block to switch the costume to cake B. And again click on the flag icon and see we are done with this or not. But now there is a problem. And the problem is the candle is lighted off for forever. So first we have to change the costume to the lighted, and when the song will finish, just change the costume to the lighted off candle. So again go to the look section and first switch the costume to the KK, because under the KK costume the candle is lighted. So first change the costume to the KK, play the birthday sound until it's done, and then switch the costume to cake B when the birthday sound will finish. So again click on the flag icon and see the changes. And now we are done. We are able to perform the as we want. So first, when I'm clicking on the flag icon, the song has started with the lighted candle, and when the song will finish, the candle will automatically light it off. Okay, so again come on the slide. So we are done with the step first, we are done with the step 2, and now come on the rock band. And this is the first project under the week of code, which is rock band. So first, any of you have any question regarding the basic project or the getting started project, which is birthday card, then you can ask. You can ask in the Google Classroom and also on WhatsApp without any agitation. And also, if you have any question, any doubt, then you can ask your doubt also in the weekend live session, only for your doubt clearing. Okay. So now come on the rock band. And in this project, we will create a rock band. So as you are able to see on the screen, there is a lady singer, a guitar and a drum. So by just adding a different sprite on a stage, we will create a band. So let's see. And again, divide this project into the two sections. The first one is stage decoration and the another one is coding. And for the stage decoration, the two things will come. The first one is background and the another one is sprite. So under the background, choose the concert theme, and under the sprite, choose the three sprites: singer, drum and guitar. So again, go to the Scratch editor, create a new project with the rock band name and decorate your stage with the concert theme background and the singer, drum and guitar back sprite. So come on the Scratch editor If you are on the main page, which is scratch.mit.edu, then you can click on the create. But if you are on the last project, then just click on the file and create new. And the new project will automatically be loaded. So first of all, rename it from Untitled to Rock Band. And now again delete the sprite, which is cat sprite, because again there is no need of this sprite. And now first decorate your stage by adding the background. So search the concert. Okay. So this one is different, but you can also choose this one. And now for the sprite, choose the lady singer, guitar, and also drum. So click on this choose a sprite. First, under the search bar, search lady. But there is no any lady under the sprite section. So now just search it with the singer. Yeah. So the same sprite is available under the scratch editor with the singer. So for adding it, just search singer under the search bar. Drag it where you want on this stage. Again click on it for adding the another sprite, which is drum. Click on it for adding it on the stage. And now again click on this icon for adding the guitar sprite. And again sprite is the object for which we have to write the code. In the scratch editor, sprite is the object for which we are writing the code. So you can choose any one of the guitar. And again drag it where you want. So we are done again with the stage decoration. And again for decorating your stage for this rock band project, choose the concert theme background and choose the singer, drum and guitar sprite. So we are done with the stage decoration section. Now come on the coding part. So again come on the slide and see the steps for converting it into the code. Okay. So under the coding section, the step first is when we click on the singer. Okay. So singer is the sprite. So when we click on the singer will start a song. So I'm connecting my earbuds. Yeah. So the step first is when we click on the singer and the singer is the sprite, then it will start a song. So before writing the code, select the sprite for which you want to write the code. So first we want to write the code for the lady singer. So click on it and select this sprite. And under the step 1, we have to write the code. So when we click on the singer, it will start a song. It will start to sing a song. So again go to the event section and the step first is when we click on the lady singer and the lady singer is a sprite. So go to the event section under the code tab and when this sprite clicks, just start to sing a song. And for adding the sound, go to the sound section and play sound pop until done. And because we have to add a song, so just click on this drop down arrow. So either if you want to record your own sound, then you can. But if you want to add any other sound, then go to the sound section. Click on this plus icon near to the volume icon. Click on this search. And here you can get the different sounds which are available in the Scratch editor. And if you want to check it, then just click on this play icon. So search the song. So if you want to add any song, then just click on that one. Go to the code section and click on the drop down arrow, and you can add the selected one which you've selected under the sound section. So now when I clicked on the sprite, which is lady singer, it will start to sing a song. Okay, so come on the slides. So now first see the first step, that we are done with the first step or not. So the first step is when we click on the singer will start to sing a song, and we are done with it. So as we are clicking on the singer, it has started to sing a song. And the step second is when we click on the drum will produce the song. So come on the Scratch editor. So in the same way as we are writing the code for the lady singer, now we will write the code for the drum in the same way. So when we click on the drum, and again the drum is a sprite. So go to the event section, and when this sprite click, because drum is a sprite, so when this sprite click, see the step 2, the drum will produce the sound, which is beat sound. So when this sprite click, now we have to add the sound. So go to the sound section and there is a different sound for the drum. So drag this block from the left side to your script area and just click on this drop down arrow, and there are the different variations for the drum, like high tom or low tom. And click on the drum sprite for testing. And if I'm choose low tom, then so you can choose any one of them. And again come on the slide and see the step. So the step 2 is when we click on the drum will produce the sound. And again we are done with the second step. So come on the step 3, which is when we click on the guitar, so it will produce the sound. And again we have to write the code for the step 3 in the same way as we are writing for the step 1 and step 2. Again come on the Scratch editor, select the sprite for which you have to write the code, and now write the code in the same way. So first, when this sprite click, just add the sound, play sound, electric guitar. And for testing, just click on the guitar sprite and test. So now we are done with the step 1, step 2 and step 3. So now when we click on the singer, it will start to sing a song. When we click on the drum, it will start to produce the sound. And when we click on the guitar, it will start to produce the tone. And are you done with this or facing any problem? If you are done, that's great. And if you are not done, that's also great. We are here to help you. You can ask your question, any doubts on WhatsApp after this session regarding the same project. Okay. So before coming on the challenges, first we will add some variation in the same project by animating lady singer, drum, and also guitar. So now when I click on the lady singer, it should seem like it's singing a song with the mic. And when I click on the drum, it also seems that it's beating the rod. And also when I click on the guitar, it also seems that it's producing some tone. So now we have to animate all of these sprites in a little bit. Like when I click on the lady singer, it seems like it's singing a song. Okay. So first we will animate the lady singer. And for animating it, first add a mic. So click on this choose a sprite. Search the mic, perhaps it will be available. Yeah. So it is available in the scratch editor. So click on it. Resize it from 100 to 10 or 30. Okay. So resize it to 50. No, 40. Yeah, now it's okay. And take it near to the mouth of the lady singer. Okay. And now for looking the lady singer like it's singing a song, click on the costume section. And the first one is with the without singing, and we are creating the another costume for the same sprite so that it's look like it's singing some song. So click on the duplicate. Okay, so for duplicating the sprite or making the costume, right click on the duplicate, and now we are creating the one with the without singing and the another one singer 2 with singing. So if you want to rename it, you can rename and just add the wave lines near to their mouth so that we can change the costume from the normal one to the singing one, and when we play the animation it looks like it's singing some song. And for adding the line, you can use this line tool and just draw some lines near their mouth. Okay. So I'm deleting it because I'm not able to correct it at first time. So click on the line tool again, draw it near to their mouth. Oh, there is one remaining. Click on the line tool, draw it near to their mouth. Okay. And now when we click on the sprite, just change the costume to the singing one. And for changing the costume, go to the look section, switch the costume from singer 2. Oh. So there is only 2 costumes. One is singer 1 and the another one is singer 2. So change the costume from the singer 1 to singer 2. And when the song will finish, just again change the costume from the singer 2 to singer 1. And now click on the sprite and see the changes on the stage. Yeah. So again see on the screen. So when I'm clicking on the lady singer, it is looking like it's singing a song with some wave lines near to their mouth. And when the song will finish, the line will automatically disappear. And in the same way, add a little bit of animation for the drum and also for the guitar. So click on the drum sprite and go to the costume section. And for the drum, there is already a two costume. One for that, it's looking like it's generating the sound, and then another one without sound. So under the drum, we have to just change the costume and we are done. So go to the look section and switch the costume to drum B when we click on the sprite and play the sound for drum beat, and when the sound will finish, just change the costume to drum A, because the drum A with the without sound and the drum B with generating sound. So click on the drum and see the changes. So when the song or the sound will finish, the costume is changing from the sound one to without sound. And now click on the guitar sprite, click on the costume section, and again there is two costume for the guitar. One with simple and then another one with generating the sound. So again change the costume, go to the look section, switch costume to guitar electric 2. When this sprite click, play the sound, and when the sound will finish, just switch the costume to guitar electric A. And if you want to see the changes, then click on the guitar on the stage. So now we are done again by adding a little bit of animation in all of the sprite, lady singer, drum, and guitar also. And now come on the slide and see the challenge for the day first. And now for the challenge is you have to control the singer, drum, and guitar sprite with the space, up arrow, and down arrow. And you have to complete the challenge before ending the session. So just open your Scratch editor, the recent Scratch editor, and change the control. So earlier we are controlling the singer, drum, and guitar sprite by clicking on the sprite. So earlier the event is when the sprite click, and now you have to just change the event from the when this sprite click to a key, and the key for the singer is space, for the drum is up arrow, and for the guitar is down arrow. So just make some changes and you are done with the challenge. Come on, open your Scratch editor, the recent project, and change the event from the when this sprite click to a keyboard key. Great. Okay, so come on the assignment. And for the day 1 assignment, the assignment is instead of adding 3 sprites, so as we are adding the 3 sprites in the Rock Band project, which is lady singer, guitar, and also drum. So instead of adding 3 sprites, now you have to add the 6 sprites including singer. So the 1 is singer and the 5 is instrument. So when you press the space key, the lady singer should start to sing a song. When you press the A key, the first instrument should have to produce some sound. When you press the S key, the another instrument should have to produce some sound, and like this, so on. D for the next one, F for the next one, and so on. So now in the assignment, you have to take the 6 sprite including the singer. And when you press the space key, the singers would start to sing a song. When you press the A key from your keyboard, then the first instrument will start to produce some sound, and so on. And from tomorrow, we will start Lost in Space animation. And for today, that's it. And again, if you are facing any problem or any section for creating any project and anything, then just ask your doubt without any agitation. You can ask your doubt on WhatsApp and also on Google Classroom. And don't forget to submit your assignment under the Google Classroom. So the assignment is clear to you or not. So don't forget to submit your assignment under the Google Classroom before the next session. So bye. See you tomorrow on the same platform. Bye.